Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about what is conditional statements in SQL Server. So conditional statement can be used in SQL Server to control the flow of your statement based on certain conditions. You can specify any conditions and you can evaluate the queries based on those conditions. There are basically three conditional statements available in SQL Server. They are the case statement, if-else statement and the if statement. The if-else statement can be used to evaluate your query based on conditions. If the condition becomes true, the block of the code inside the if statement will be executed. If it fails, then the else part will be executed. And the case statement in SQL Server, it is a conditional logic statement where a list of conditions will be evaluated and one or more resulting queries can be returned as a output. And the if statement in SQL Server is also named as a single line conditional statement in SQL Server, where you can provide the condition, the true statement and the false statement in a single line query, and you can obtain the result based on your condition satisfied. So let us see some of the live examples in SQL queries. So let's get into SSMS and see some live examples. So here I have connected inside my SSMS. I am under my training DB. So I have the table creation script and the insert statement. So let's create this employees table. So let me insert these statements. So we can now select and view the records in this employees table. You can see in the employees table I got the employee ID, employee name, their department ID and their salary. So I need to assign the department name based on this department ID. So we can use conditional statement to achieve this. So let me copy this and paste it here. In this I am going to take this as E, and let's select E dot the department, the employee ID, and E dot employee name, also E dot department ID, and here I need to display the department name. So I can use the case conditional statement here, and let me provide when. The case statement will always follow with the when command, and you need to provide the condition. Let me provide department ID equal to 1. Then I need to display this as development, and when the department ID is 2, then I need to display this as marketing, I forgot the comma, and let me copy this. If the department ID is 3, then I need to display this as sales. So here you can also provide the else condition. If none of the above conditions has been satisfied, then you can use this else statement will be executed. So let me provide the end command. So the case statement will follow with the when command, and you need to provide the condition. Then you need to provide the particular value that need to be displayed if the condition satisfies. You can also use the else statement if none of the conditions has been satisfied. The case statement must ends with the end command. You can just give alias name as department name, So now let me execute this query. Now you can see I got the employee ID, employee name, department ID and their respective department name. So we can use case statement in this manner and achieve this. So giving this ID multiple times inside this statement, there is also another option where you can use this department ID in the case statement, case department ID. When the value is 1, then I need to display as development. When the ID is 2, I need to display as marketing. 3, then I need to display as sales. So now when we execute this, we got the same result as the previous one. So you can also use like this without specifying the department ID each time. Let me select the average salary from this employees table. Let me provide this here. So average of the salary so let me execute this. So I got the average salary 57,625. So now I need to display the set of employees who are in the average salary rate, which is if the average salary is a medium pay or high pay or a low pay salary, and based on that condition I need to display the set of employees who are under the category of the average salary. So let me provide the case statement here. Select case of when the average salary is less than 55,000, then I need to display this as low salary, and when the average salary is greater than or equal to 55,000 and also less than 60,000, can take this as medium salary and we can provide the else statement. Else I need to display this as high salary. Let me provide the end statement here from the employees table. So now I can select this. We got medium level salary. So the average salary is the medium level salary. So I need to fetch all the employees who are under this medium level salary. To achieve this, let me declare a variable called salary value, and let me take this, declare this variable as a var, provide us 10. Let me copy this variable and I'm going to assign the result of this case statement to this variable. So let me provide a tab so you can understand this easier. So the execution of this statement will be stored in this variable that we have created. So now I am going to provide the if condition. If the variable has a value low, then I need to provide set of conditions. Let me provide the begin statement. Let me write select and it will display the employee name. Let me just provide everything from the employees table so we can get suggestions from the intelligence. So I need the employee name, his salary, from the employees table, where I need to provide the condition as salary, where the salary is less than 55,000. Let me close this and end this. And we can also use else if command and check whether the variable is a medium. So if the value of the variable is medium, then I need to provide another condition where the salary has need to be greater than or equal to 55,000 and the salary need to be less than 60,000. So just like in case statements, you can also provide else statement for this if condition. Else I need to provide a else condition. So let me copy this again and paste it here. Else I need to provide the employees who has the salary greater than or equal to 60,000. So now let me execute this complete query. I got 3 employees who is in the range of average salary. So I got 3 employees who is in the range of 55,000 to 60,000, which is equivalent to the average salary. So this is just an example which explains you how we can use if, else, else if and else command in SQL Server. So let us see an example for the if command. Let me provide the select statement. Select star from the employees table. So here I need another column named as salary range, and if the salary is greater than 55,000 I need to show as high, else I need to display as low. So you can give the if condition for this. I need to check the salary. If the salary is greater than 55,000, then I need to display this as high, else I need to provide as low. So in this if condition you can provide your logic in a single line query. So I have provided the condition as the first parameter and the true statement as the second parameter and the false statement as the final parameter. So now before executing, let us provide a valid name as salary range. So now let's select and see this. So I got the employee ID, employee name, department ID, salary and their salary range. If it is less than 55,000, then it is displayed as low, and if it is greater than 55,000, then it is displayed as high. So we can use the conditional statements in SQL Server for these conditional flows, and you can execute your set of queries based on the conditions that you have provided in those logics. So I hope you have understood what is conditional statements and you have understood the difference in case, if else and if condition in SQL Server. So let me provide the GitHub link in the description. Check out the solution and you can solve some exercise that I have provided. Please subscribe to the channel and watch all the videos in the SQL Server playlist. Thank you for watching.